Hi, my name is Aarti Arote. I did BCom from KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce this year. In Immaticus, I am doing CBOP course. So my mom was going through her YouTube videos and there was an advertisement in middle of the YouTube video about Immaticus, and at the same time I was also searching for investment banking courses, and Immaticus provides investment banking courses. So after seeing the advertisement, we came here the very next day and I was counseled so well that I took the admission at that moment only. I opted for the weekend course for CBOP. The faculty which taught us was very amazing, as he has worked in the IB industry for a very long time. The course is very structured. The way the faculty is delivering his knowledge is very easy to grasp, and he is there for you whenever you need him to clear your doubts. The faculty's name was Mr. Rajesh. He is from an investment background sector only. He worked for investment banks for like 10-15 years or maybe more. The way he delivers his knowledge, any non-commerce background student or maybe a non-finance background student can also understand it. It is very easy to grab whatever he is delivering. On the scale of 1 to 5, I'll rate him 5. The placement assistance was very beneficial to me, but before starting with the placement assistance, there are soft skills and personality development lectures here in Immaticus, and it is a part of our course. So when the course is in mid of it, we start getting soft skills and personality development lectures. Here in personality development lectures, we have changed as a person. The resumes which we have now are very customized. The resume actually shows where we want to work and what we want to work. Once these lectures are done, they go ahead with the placements. They start sending you placement opportunities according to your resumes and in the field which you are actually interested in, and there is no force upon you to that no, you have to get into this job only. Yes, I've got placed at Morningstar India Private Limited as a research associate, and I'm the youngest one in my batch who got placed this early. Like, my course is not completed yet, but in the 2 months only I got placed at Morningstar. I got this opportunity for Immaticus and I'm very happy for it, because that is the thing which I want to do. I am very much interested in research thing, and just because of Immaticus I was able to crack the interview and I'm going to be a research associate.